at the
You want to
leaf.
look at the beautiful leaves? It's orange, yellow, some green,
Mm-hmm.
and red.
Yeah.
Does anyone want to look at it? Raise up
Okay.
their hand in the comments.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See you.
Those are views. The leaves ng anak. Look.
You see that? Those are
It's
the leaves.
yellow.
Do you
Okay.
see some green?
Are you
right
ready?
there?
Faith?
We're ready. We're ready.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
You see that? They're leaves.
Some are fallen already. Fallen
Hey, there's
leaves.
a car. Look out.
Yeah.
That looks like our car.
Okay.
Yay! Look at that. Ganda na.
Ganda ng view.
Ganda ng view ng fall leaves.
There you go.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
There's green. Some are bare trees. Some still have leaves before they're in the winter.
Yeah.
In the winter, the leaves are going to be buried in the snow.
Yeah.
And it's going to be gross on the bottom. So that's why people are sweeping before winter. So we can't see anything
Yeah.
at the bottom. Fall season is always raining.
Yeah.
When on snowy days, they're not.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, when we make another winter vlog, make sure to check some of our winter vlogs when I make the snowman. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure to check that on
Yeah.
Big G's vlog. Make sure to subscribe.
Look at those leaves, babe.
Ganda.
Very beautiful. Relief ka na? Those are amber trees. These are amber. Nice color.
Huh?
Amber trees.
Amber trees?
Yeah, look at this one. Nice. These are maple trees. Some maple.
We're in the woods where coyotes live.
They live here? Yeah, maybe. Some of them.
Yeah, that's where coyotes
Yeah.
live. In the deep, dark woods. One time, Miss Chang videoed some coyotes playing in the forest.
Oh, yeah? Flowers are so beautiful.
I saw a coyote sign. Wild thing sign. Mommy will be like, where did you go?
I'm gonna stroll a bit. We stroll a bit, mommy. Nice leaves, yeah? Beautiful. This is the school that we played before, remember, no? This
Where?
one?
Where?
This one.
Let's just take a look at it first. What school? Where is it? Which one?
What is this pen?
Which one put it in?
Rosemont.
Which one?
Hey. Where are we now?
We're lost?
No, we're not. It's Kerr Street.
Which playground?
We're gonna go straight a bit.
Which playground? You said playground earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
No. We're gonna go there first. Let's wait for the traffic, incoming traffic. Nice, beautiful leaves there. Wow. You love the color of the leaves, right? So beautiful. Look at. Very nice. Look at this yellow maple leaves. Yellow one. Wow. Look at that color fade. Very nice, anak, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Enjoy the view. Okay, let's go again. Very nice view now.
No dumping. Where are we?
We're in the neighborhood. Look at those colors.
Champlain. Wait, we've been here.
Yeah, before.
I didn't know where we were.
The sun is setting down. Yeah? We are strolling. You like it?
We're strolling down somewhere we don't know.
I know this one.
At least we're close to home.
Yeah, we're close. Sure. Look at this magnolia trees. Very beautiful.
How did you know these trees?
Yeah, they are flowering if it's spring.
How did you
These
know
trees are
these
flowering.
trees?
Yeah,
How?
you have to Google it. Magnolia trees. So beautiful. Flowers in the spring. We will take a picture there later. Beautiful. These are our neighbors. Look at the slips. Wow. Do you wanna say Nana ko? Yeah, this is the view when it's full season. Yeah, you can see beautiful colors of leaves. See, wow, look at that.
Oh, I found a playground.
Oh, you wanna go there?
Yeah?
Okay, let's go.
Let's just park here for a bit.
Then we're gonna go back. Then you can play a bit, then let's go, okay? Wait. Cars come.
It's on the other side of the tennis ball park.
You feel cold, Faith? You feel cold?
I feel hot. Hi guys, we're going to the playground.
Yeah.
It's like a water park.
Okay. Go, let's play a bit, okay? Here na anak ko, dito eh, dito eh. Daan mo dito eh. Yeah. Go inside.
Oh, it's a high slide.
Yeah.
Can I get on that? Oh, I think that's a school.
Look at that leaves, anak ko. Beautiful.
I think that's a school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Kana, go na Karen. Go na. Go na, baby.
But I feel scared. There's people. Daddy, I think it's a school.
It's okay, you can play.
Daddy, can you come with me then?
Yeah.
That looks like a school.
It's a school, school playground.
Can you just come with me? I just feel scared.
Wanna go inside? That's the entrance, the other side. Huh? Look at that slide. Nice.
There's so many big kids. What if this was a private school?
It's not, You can still, play.
Or soccer field. Yeah, there are 4 fields. We also have a nice garden. Big library.
I've seen those people before.
Yeah.
They look familiar.
They look familiar. Maybe you saw it in the school.
Yeah, I saw it at school.
Mhm.
I almost have it. And I'm gonna go in it.
Okay.
Hi guys. We're going to the store.
A bit, right?
A bit before we go back home.
Found it. My pig. Sunset.
Bye guys, we're going home. All the stores are closing.
Yeah, I know.
See that? When it's closed.
It's gonna be, I think, 9 o'clock. Okay, see ya.